Linda Germain here from Printmaking Without a Press, and I wanted to invite you to my week-long class at Maine Media Workshops in Rockport, Maine. We will start with making the plate, and then we will learn how to manipulate the ink into a thin layer on the plate using stencils, both found stencils and stencils that we cut to make multiple images. The second major tool we use is stamping tools. Expand your vision about what stamping tools might be. So found objects, tools that we make, and even traditional stamps. We will make piles and piles of prints that you can frame or maybe even work into book covers or book pages and other mixed media work. So I hope to see you in Maine in 2020. More info at lindagermain.com.